busy being the witch. Gino, you want to be the bad witch first? We can trade. There can be many parts. We have one for you, Andrew. Where's the other witch hat, Gino? Right here. Andrew, here. There you go. All right. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Dorothy, and she got caught up in a tornado. Let's be tornadoes. Here we go. Everybody be a tornado. Come on out here. Out here in the ground. Circle. Woo, we're all tornadoes. Woo. Perfect. Woo. Okay. And Auntie M said, Dorothy, Dorothy, where are you? And then the tornado went again. More tornadoes. And the nice witch came out and said, Dorothy, you did a great job killing the bad witch.
Hey, we forgot about the bad witch part.
Here's the bad witch. Look, you have a house strapped on her.
I'm really good witch.
Well, I'm the good witch right now. And the house strapped on her. Get the shoes, Dorothy. Get the shoes.
No, this would be
Yeah,
a witch.
you have them.
No, this would be a witch.
Okay.
No. Mom.
Then,
Mom.
Dorothy had a puppy. Dorothy had a puppy. Can you say arf, arf? Can you say arf, arf? Can you say arf, arf? Woof, woof. Can you be the puppy? Be Dorothy's puppy. Dorothy had a puppy. Woof, 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 woof. Go. Dorothy, you have to find the Wizard of Oz. Okay, are you ready? Who could be Dorothy's puppy for the moment? Take Andrew's hand.
Or Gino's.
Oh, Gino? Here, get Gino's hand. Gino, would you be the puppy for a minute?
You be the witch.
Yeah, you be the doggy.
Go, whoop.
You be the doggy.
You be the bad witch. You be the bad witch.
I'll be the puppy. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
You be the doggy.
If ever
Here,
a wizard.
Emily, hang on to Gino's hand.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Woof, woof, woof. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Woof, woof. It's time for the scarecrow. Oh, quick, get your scarecrow hat on, Gino. Or Amy, as the case may be.
You be the bad witch. Hi, Papa.
Here comes a scarecrow. Oh, look. Look, Dorothy. Here's a scarecrow. Arf, 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 arf. Here's a scarecrow, Dorothy. Pull the pin out from the back of the scarecrow so it'll fall down. Pull the pin out. Oh, Joe, I wish we weren't on movie. Pull the pin out. Oh, look! Look! The scarecrow! Scarecrow, do you want to come with us?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, come on.
I need help.
Can anybody bark? Good. Okay, let's go down the yellow brick road again and see if we see anyone else. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. This way was the guy. Look at this guy. He's very stiff. Did you see the oil can, Dorothy? Let's oil him. Here, Scarecrow, you oil him. Gino, come. Come on, honey, we have to go to Oz. Let's go. You're the doggy, ready? Find anyone else. Ready? Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, lions and tigers and bears. off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Well, how about this? I can do it.
Okay. Here we go.
Or you want to do it now? All right, put the glasses on.
Here, how about this thing? Put this green shirt on and that one.
Oh, this one you do.
Okay.
This is your key.
You look wonderful, Scarecrow. Okay, are you ready?
Put your glasses on, babe.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. If
Look
ever
at Papa
a
Joe.
whiz there was. Wizard of Oz, come back, we need you. Wizard, wizard, come back. Wizard. Don't get the wizard. Get the wizard. Wizard, go get the wizard. Oh my God, where's the wizard going?
He's going behind the curtain, remember?
Oh yeah, he's got his curtain with him.
Wizard! Back! He's got his bib on. The wizard! The wizard is here! Help this lady get back home, wizard! You be the wizard also. Let me be a wizard. Are you serious? Tie around your neck. And then kind of little balloon.
Are we on it now? Are we on it now?
Yeah, you're the crowd, aren't you?
Oh, we're the crowd. Get that, get the kids. The rail.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah!
Wizard, can you help us?
Go find the broomstick of that witch in the big castle thing.
Wait, now who wants to be the flying monkey?
Hey!
Who wants to be the flying monkey?
Not me! Not me!
Matt, you can be the flying monkey.
This monkey's exempt, and this monkey's just good. I'll just roll.
A&M can be the flying monkey.
No.
Andrew, no, Andrew.
Gino, here's something for you, honey. You're the Tin Man. There you go. Okay.
I know he's
It's the
grinning.
wrong person to give that to.
No, he's all. You gotta go chop the tree, baby.
Oh,
I'm
God.
going to send my flying monkey.
Where's the hat?
I don't know.
I had an idea to put the hat on that monkey.
Well, it would be.
Put your hat on, babe.
The flying
Up.
monkeys.
No, Andrew.
Well, just don't put water on me. Don't put water on me. Oh, I'm melting, I'm melting, I'm melting. I'm melting. Oh, and my flying monkeys are getting nice. Hi, I'm now nice. Oh. Oh, I'm melting, I'm melting. Okay, now you can go back to the wizard and figure out what you're supposed to do. Go back to the wizard, Gino.
Gino, you gotta go to the wizard. Let's go to the wizard.
I'll be the brown stick.
Andrew? Andrew, no.
Pay no attention to that man.
Pay no